Risk.
Hi, folks. Medicare Part C plans with extra benefits like getting money added back to your Social Security check may now be available to you in your zip code. Make sure you're not missing out. It's simple. One, call the number on your screen. Two, they'll look up your zip code and see if you're eligible. Three, they'll check for plans with extra benefits like prescriptions, dental coverage, and the benefit that adds money back to your Social Security check every single month. Call now.
I called to get everything I deserve.
I called to check my zip code for a plan with a benefit that adds money back to my Social Security check.
I called to check my zip code.
Millions of people have called the Medicare Coverage Helpline. Call, check your zip code, see if you're eligible, and get what you deserve. Call now.
Call 1-800-975-4570. That's 1-800-975-4570 now.
Currently in our area, 37 degrees under cloudy skies. Tonight, rain. Some mixed winter precipitation possible. Low 36. Rainfall near an inch. Friday, cloudy skies. High 43. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Friday night, cloudy. Low 23. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
The snow is bad, the traffic is bad. We'll have to watch out for this traffic.